Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super exciting, building your very own Vex Clawdbot. If you've just unboxed your kit and are wondering where to start, you're in the right place. This is a fantastic project for beginners and a great way to get hands-on with robotics. First up, let's get organized. Lay out all your parts and take a quick look at the instruction manual. It's your best friend for this build. We'll start with the chassis, which is the base of our robot. Carefully connect the main structural pieces using the provided screws and nuts. Remember, finger tight is good for now. We can tighten everything up later. Next, we'll attach the motors and wheels. Pay close attention to the orientation. Getting this right is key for making your bot drive straight. Just follow the step-by-step pictures and you'll have a rolling chassis in no time. Thanks for watching, hit that subscribe button, and let's continue in the next video.